Guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to find Zoom meeting text history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to find your Zoom meetings text history, first of all you have to open any of your browsers into your computer, and after opening the browser just simply log into your Zoom portal account. And after opening the Zoom account into your Zoom portal, just simply scroll down to all the way bottom and you will find this account management tab. Click into that tab and then you will get this report option into here. Click into that reports option, and after clicking into the reports option you can get all of the reports about everything going on into your account, including the chat history. You just simply have to select chat history into here and then proceed further. But in order to do that you have to take the membership or the premium account of Zoom, and only after then you can proceed to the process of saving or seeing the chat history of your Zoom. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.